To remove null? Okay. This is suppose the initial state. Okay. This is another state. I am having a B. Suppose this is one of the examples. Here I can see that Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are the four states in this finite automata, where Q0 is the initial state and Q3 is a final state. Here I can also find there are two nulls are involved, which is one from Q1 to Q2, another is from Q1 to Q3. And I am required to now remove this null from this finite automata. Okay? So how do I do this? What is the first step? Target any one of this null from this given NDFA. What is that? Q1 and Q2. In between Q1 and Q2, there is a null. So for timing, I will name this as this particular transition as a V1 and this as a V2. Okay? So then I will go for applying the various steps. What is the first step? In the first step I identify this. As a second step, I will identify the outgoing edges from, I will find, basically I need to find here, what are the various outgoing edges from V2. So this is a V2 edge, V2 state, and this one, I can clearly say, this one is the outgoing edge and this one is also a outgoing edge. I should show the arrow here. This is what? Incoming transition to this Q2. So only the outgoing transitions are what? This one and this one. Okay, I found these two outgoing transitions. So what to do? After finding, duplicate them from V1. V1 is this one state. So to do this all these changes, you need to go for drawing another new diagram. This is a Q1, Q2. At the very first, you only consider, so we only consider these three transitions, okay? Because I am nothing to do with Q0 at this during this removal process. So during removal process, I am needed to consider Q1, Q2, Q3. Why Q1? I need to duplicate from Q1, okay? And Q3, outgoing edges is what? Outgoing edges are again transition from Q2, it is going to Q3. That is why I needed Q3, because this particular node, this particular transition I need to copy from Q1. So I consider these three transitions and I need to duplicate the transition which I found from V2. So that is one of that is what? This one. This is outgoing transition from Q2. So I need to copy it from Q1. But where is the destination of that? It is to Q1. So I need to copy it from Q1 and destination is where? Q1 itself. So what kind of transition you will find? This Q1, this way. So the label you are having, that same label you have to copy. B. Okay? So in this way we need to work out. So I worked out this one and yet one more outgoing transition is there from V2 that I need to duplicate from V1. So you can see that it is outgoing from V2, but where it is incidenting, what is the target? Q3. The incidence is to Q3. So this I have to copy from V1. So how H comes? Q1 to Q3. What is the label? A. So I should draw the transition like this from Q1 to Q3. Label is what? A. The second transition, outgoing transition is also worked out. Okay? So your job is done. Second step we completed. you come to the third step. The third step says that if V1 is the initial state, then make V2 as the initial state. Here V1 and V2 are, V1 is not an initial state, then V2 is not required to make it as a initial state. So second step is not applicable here. Then you read, then you go for fourth step, where it is said, if V2 is a final state, then make V1 as a final state. V2 is not a final state, then no need to make V1 as a final state. So third and fourth steps were not at all applied here. So all this procedure has been completed. Now what do? You go on drawing the rest part of your finite automata as it is. So only in this case, this null has been removed. That you need not to draw. So whatever the rest transitions are there, just you keep as it is. This is B. And here it is a null which is not yet removed. That means that I will keep as it is. क्या हुआ? Whatever. Anything left? हाँ. Apply A remove कर This null we have removed. So that null is not here right now. But this null is still, we haven't worked on it. So we need to keep it as it is. By applying the procedure over a single null, it doesn't mean that all nulls you have removed. Get it? Have you covered all the transitions? Okay, fine. Now I can see that one more null transition is there. That I need to apply. That I need to remove. So to remove that, again apply these four steps. Okay? So here the transition is from Q1 to Q3. So this becomes V1, this becomes V2. Find the outgoing transition from V2. What is the outgoing transition? There is no outgoing transition. Okay? There are no outgoing transition from V2. So there is no need to copy from Q1. Can you see clearly? Is there any outgoing transition from Q2? V2 means Q3? No. Means there is no need to copy anything from Q1. Okay? So apply step. Next step. Yes? If V1 is a initial state, make V2 as a initial state. V1 is not a initial state, we will not make this as a initial state. If last step, if V2 is a final state, make V1 as a final state. Here this is true. So Q3, V2 is a final state, I need to make this as a final state. Oh, I cannot do this changes here, okay? I need to draw one more finite automata. So Q1, Q2, okay? So this is Q3. So I am working out the first step. Here I found that there is no outgoing edges from Q3 edge or transition. So I am not copying anything from Q1, from V2. Okay? So third step, it is again not applicable. In fourth step, what I found that since V2 is a final state, I need to make this V1 as a final state. I will do this much change only. Get it? So rest transition I will copy as it is. After application, this particular null transition has been got removed. So I need not to draw that. Q2, yes? There is nowhere to go Q2. So what is the query? Here also I am having the same case. From Q1, Neha's query is like this. So this is the resultant finite automata. By having this resultant finite automata, here we clearly can see that it is impossible to reach up to Q2 state from Q0. Okay. So in this is the original finite automata. Here you can see that I am able to reach to, okay, I am able to reach to Q2, but with what? Reach to Q2, and I will reach to the final state with what? A. So that I am reaching from here directly. बोलो. So what in the next step what happens? This Q2 will automatically get removed because it is not having any significance. But we won't remove. Okay? What the examiner asks to you, just remove the nulls from the given diagram. You keep it as it is. In the further process, that this Q2 will be automatically get removed. Okay? Because it is not having any significance. Okay, this is, I will complete the diagram. This is the final state, this is A and this is B. So this much is the final answer. So what I will to say that you require to apply the method very carefully. Means you have to apply all 4 steps for every null. You should not leave any of steps. So in the further discussion, we will discuss about how to convert NDFA with DFA into DFA. So as per Neha's queries, when you are converting this NDFA, okay, with DFA, automatically this Q2 will be get vanished. Okay. So exactly now we see the method to convert NDFA to DFA.